الحمد لله رب العالمين الصلاة والسلام على سيد الأنبياء والمرسلين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Welcome to Darulmadinah's online class session. Today's topic of kindergarten is blending of sound ag words. Today we will learn about ag family words. Come students, recite with me. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. MashaAllah, you have done a great job. Let's move on. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Before starting our lesson, let's recite dua. As-salatu was-salamu alayka ya Rasulullah wa ala alika wa ashabika ya Habiballah. Rabbi zidni ilma. الصلاة والسلام عليك يا نبي الله وعلى آلك وأصحابك يا نور الله. Okay students, आज का टॉपिक है ag words. अब ये word ag दो अल्फाबेट से मिलकर बना है. The first alphabet is A, which is sound as a, and the other word is G, which is sound as g, g. And when we meet both of these words, ag, blending of sounds, we got a new sound ag. We can add new sounds before this to make new words. हम ag के साथ दूसरे अल्फाबेट्स मिलाकर डिफरेंट लेटर्स बना सकते हैं, डिफरेंट वर्ड्स बना सकते हैं. आइए प्रैक्टिस करते हैं. Let's try the new words. Don't be shy. You have to participate with me. Okay, students? Now, let's give it a try. Letter P. Sound as th. थ. मेरे साथ दोहराइए. थ. Mashallah. Very good. Let's do it again. Th. Ag. Tag. Very good. Mashallah. Let's try another word. Alphabet is B. Sound as B. Very good. Let's do it once more. B. Ag. Bag. B. Ag. Bag. Mashallah, mashallah. Now, the last letter of this slide is letter M. Sound as M. Ag. Mag. M. Ag. mag. ओके, अब तीनों वर्ड्स को हम रिवाइज करेंगे. tag, bag, mag. शाबाश. चलिए, let's move on. Now, let's make new words with this new sound. R, 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 ag, rag, R, ag, rag. शाबाश. रिवाइज कीजिए. R, ag, rag. Mashallah, mashallah. Now, let's move on to another word. W, sound as V, V, ag, wag, V, ag, wag. Shabash. So let's move on to the last word of the slide. Z, sound as Z, Z, ag, zag. Don't be shy, just revise after me. Z, ag, zag. Mashallah, tabarakallah. Now, let's start it again. Rag, wag, zag. Very good. Now, let's move on. Look, listen, and say the word. What is the word? Come on, tell me, what's the word? Very good. Some of you might have pronounced it accurately, like b, ag, bag. Very good. Let's give it another try. Bag, b, ag, bag. The other word is t, t, ag, tag, t, ag, tag. Very good. Now it's your turn. Mashallah. Exactly. It's tag. Let's move on. So, the another interesting word is that we have learned earlier. What is that word? M, ag, mag. M, ag, mag. R, ag, rag. R, ag, rag. Mashallah, mashallah, you are doing great, my son. Let's move on. V, ag, wag. Yes. V, ag, wag. Z, ag, zag. Mashallah, mashallah. Let's do it again. Z, yes. Ag, zag. Z, ag, zag. So now it's time for an interesting game. ओके, एक मजेदार गेम खेलते हैं। इसमें आपको एग वर्ड्स तलाश करने होंगे। देखते हैं कौन सबसे पहले तलाश करता है। माशाल्लाह, वेरी गुड। एग्जैक्टली। नाउ लेट्स सी। It's mag, tag, and drag. There are three words: mag, tag, rag. Excellent job, my son. So, students, what we have learned today? Hmm? Yes, we have learned about ag words. Now, what are those words? Repeat after. Yes. And the other one? Come on. Yes, it's bag, tag, mag, rag, wag, zag. So now you know what we have learned today. So it's time for homework. Now practice ag words on your notebook. Dear parents, help your child to practice all ag words till they know very well. Thank you for watching. Take a very good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Jazakallahu khaira.